I'm going to show a quick demo on how you can roll out a slab without a slab roller, just using a rolling pin. So watch this. Start with wedging to remove the clay from having any air bubbles. You can also slam it down a couple times. Now when I slam my clay down, I'm going to kind of slam it and pull towards me. I'm going to use these little markers to place on each side of my slab. So this helps the clay not get too flat. And then I'm going to roll. If it's kind of coming up like that, you can always put a canvas on top. And I can hear the rolling pin on the wooden pieces. Perfect.